What's the meaning of ceremonially? Ceremonially. Ceremonially.
Ceremonially. Ceremonially. The term ceremonially refers to something that is done in a formal, ritualistic manner, often with a sense of solemnity or religious significance. When something is done ceremonially, it is typically performed according to prescribed rules or customs, and may involve elaborate costumes, gestures, or symbols. The result of a ceremonial act can vary widely depending on the context or culture in which it takes place, but it often serves to reinforce social norms or cultural values, or to mark important milestones or events.